Okay, today's July 3rd, 8 p.m. And it's the first time we've introduced Coco to all the adults. Some of the adults. Scarlett, her mom, is right there. The one on the left is Chance, that's the dad. And there's Bella. Let's see what's going on here. And Bingo doesn't care 2 cents. So, wow, can't see her. There she is.
Bella.
Well, she's doing pretty good. She's definitely not scared of him. Maybe a tiny bit cautious. Yeah, but... Oh. That's the mama. Where'd she go? Scarlett, be nice. Scarlett.
No. No, she just
Climbed right over Bingo.
It's like, okay.
Look, she like, oh, she climbed over Bingo again.
Hide me.
Oh, she, hey, 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 that's not a nipple, Coco. It's interesting how the mother instincts aren't there like they were during the first 6 weeks.
Oh, she takes her chance.
Bingo.
Bingo. Be careful. Oh, Bella. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Nuzzled her.
See how they're doing. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Finally, Bingo's taking interest. He better, because that's his future wife.
Go here. Calm down.
Yeah.